Hello friends, welcome to this podcast episode. I am Ali, your host. Today, I am going to talk about the modern furniture stores in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. In the UAE, you can buy the finest quality furniture for your office and home from My Office Furniture. In the UAE, you can buy the finest quality furniture for your office and home from My Office Furniture. This reputable store sells affordable steel furniture for office and home usage in Dubai and other regions of the UAE. You will get up to a 5 years warranty on every product. My Office Furniture provides free shipping and installation all across the UAE. Check out their wide range of collections at www.mamai.com. For any queries, call them at +9 7142212 That's all for today. Thanks for listening to this podcast episode. Stay tuned for more updates.